What's that? He did? All of it? I'll handle it. I'll handle it. That was your girl. Apparently, somebody's dropped the ball in the manscaping department this winter. Gentlemen, your hygiene hibernation is over, so grab your grooming tools. For the ultimate summer manscaping tutorial. I'm going to start at the top and work my way down the body. But remember this, there's no one right manscaping routine for everybody. Ultimately, you've got to decide what's right for you, starting with the face. In the wintertime, a lot of guys like to grow a big bushy beard. Summertime, springtime is the perfect opportunity to take it down and make it a little bit shorter. For one, it's not as hot, and two, you're going to look thinner. Take the length down. What I would recommend is use your Brio. Wait. You don't have a Brio? Good thing they're today's video sponsor and the best grooming tool in the history of grooming tools. The Brio Beardscape is, in my opinion, the best grooming tool on the market, period. I have tested like a zillion others. I used to be a big Norelco fanboy until I tried Brio. I did a side-by-side comparison, totally unbiased, unpaid. If you missed that video, I will link to it down below. It is beneath the link to grab a Brio at an insane price. Guys, if you are currently in the market for, or you're not satisfied with your current grooming tool because most of them suck, there's a link down below to grab this thing, this beast, for an insane price. It's so insane that they sell out like almost immediately. Guys, they have a hard time keeping these in stock, and I understand why. They're the best. Grab one today, link below. Like, do not pass go, get one. I'm not gonna go into all the crazy details of why the Brio is better than everything else on the market, in my opinion. That video down below will go over it. But the one thing you're gonna notice immediately when you pull this out of the box is that it's heavy. It feels like you're holding a tool as opposed to some cheap, like, little plastic thing. It also gets ridiculously close. Like, look how close that is. This thing like gets you down to the skin, but if you're somebody who wants to rock a little bit of a 5 o'clock shadow, it has varying degrees of adjustments. It also comes with a few different attachments. If you're interested, link below, grab it now because supplies are limited. They will sell out at the price they're offering. Guys, check it out. Back to your beard. With summertime here, I would say it is a great idea to go with a summer style. Something a bit shorter than you do in the winter. Next, let's talk about that chest hair. Your chest hair. I don't have much because I shave all mine off. About once a week in the shower, I will take a razor, a little shaving cream. Actually, I'll just use soap a lot of times with the loofah and shave my chest. Not to forget the nipples, because shaving your chest is one thing, but having long, straggly nipple hairs is another. But if you or your significant other digs your chest hair being all manly and macho, I say rock it. Just make sure that it's not too crazy and it's not crawling out your chest. If so, take a facial hair grooming tool, pop an attachment on, bingo bango, take it short. Everybody's seen the dude in the Speedo at the beach with their like shoulder hair for days, back hair. He looks like a freaking gorilla. Is this sexy? Yes. If you're somebody who doesn't mind asking their significant other or mom to shave, actually, nobody should be asking their mother to shave their back. Use a grooming tool, shave it. If you can't reach it, guys, invest in this bad boy, which is the baKblade. It allows shaving your back by itself, right? You can get it. It's incredible. Great product. Take care of it. So you've been working hard on those abs. For me, I get some dark hair like around this area. And so what I'll do is take my facial hair grooming tool and basically carve out a little bit of a happy trail. Just to make it a little bit tidier. I do not shave my stomach with the razor. I did it a few times and I got like ingrown hairs and it just was very uncomfortable. A general rule of thumb, if you're shaving anything, you need to make sure that you are exfoliating every single time you take a shower. Next up, let's talk about your crotch. This is all personal preference, right? I've done a bunch of different manscaping tutorials talking about how to manscape. Typically, what I will do is use my facial hair grooming tool and basically just take down the majority of the hair. I do leave like a little bit of like almost like a racing stripe. I do shave with a razor my testicles and the base of my penis. Everything else I pretty much use my clippers for. One thing I will say, be careful and never under any circumstances use a facial hair grooming tool on your testicles. If you are somebody who has never manscaped your testes before, they're probably hairy as f, right? And so what I would recommend doing is popping an attachment on and just taking the length down, being very careful. That skin is so soft, so supple, and it gets like in between like guards. You just got to be careful. Take the length down and then lather it up. Use a razor. Be careful. Stretch the skin and shave them. I trim my butt cheeks, and I am man enough to say it. I don't shave them. I trim them. I take the attachment off and I go up. For whatever reason, I'm not like a super hairy dude, but my butt cheeks, like, they got what everything else, like, missed. They're super hairy, and so once a week, I will actually take my facial hair grooming tool and sort of just go up my butt cheeks. I'm careful near the crack. I definitely don't get this anywhere near the hole. The legs, I shave my legs. I think it's cleaner. I like the look. I've been doing it for years. A lot of guys, though, think that it's feminine. They don't want to do it, and so don't do it. But if you're somebody who wants to keep your leg hair, but it's just a little bit bushy and unruly, all you got to do, that's why I keep telling you, like, everybody needs a grooming tool. Pop an attachment, go to town. Alpha, you're such a chick, man. I know, I manscape a lot, whatever, dude. It's my thing. It might not be your thing. And that's the beautiful thing about manscaping. Totally personal preference. Gentlemen, it's summertime, and... Hang on, I gotta get this. Hello? Yeah, I told him. You're welcome. All right. I know. You're welcome. All right, bye. That was your girl. What's up? I don't know how she has my number.